If you are throwing a fallout party or know someone who is, you need to show them how to make these fallout treat bags. They're super simple to make. All you need is some royal blue treat bags, and then we printed and cut out these Property of Vault-Tec tags. And we're going to use some Mod Podge to attach them to the front. You can also tape them on. I just think that the glue looks a little bit nicer and cleaner. So just add some of the Mod Podge onto the back of it, and you're going to paint it around the edges of the label, and then just attach it to the bag. Now you want these to dry completely before you mess with the bags and add any items inside or even open them. Otherwise the label can kind of slip down, especially because the outside of the bag is a little bit like silky. But once that's done and once these have all dried, you can actually add items inside. Now, as far as items that go inside the bags, we found a bunch of items on Amazon. We ended up going with some Fallout stickers that were really fun. And then we also allowed the party guests at our son's party to use these bags to fill up with candy from the piñata that we made as well, which I will do a video on here shortly. But these are super simple to make. They only cost a few dollars each. I actually found a 12-pack of the bags at my local Dollar Tree. And then the labels we used, we printed at our local FedEx, and it was only a few dollars per page. So I hope that this is helpful and gives you an idea of a fun, quick DIY way to make your own Fallout treat bags for your next Fallout party. And if you want to see all of the materials that we used, you can find the full blog post and tutorial on my blog, and there's a link in the description.